At sabi niya, bakit kaya siya nag-settle? At hindi naman siya pinababa. Ano kaya ang idea? The particles of this good coloring. Yes, ma'am. Very good. This research. And the particles of these grooves, hindi mo siya ginalaw, pero kusa siyang gumalaw. Since the particles of the color is denser, it settle down into the bottom. So that's the idea of density. Very good. Number one, three. And the last group. Yes, Ma'am Henrano. Nagugulog. Ano ba? Ano gawin ko? Ito po yung gawa ng tayo. Four. Okay. So, gamit po namin ito ay water. Ito po ay water. Hot water. So, yung po namin sa number 8 is wash off. Describe one poster after adding the coloring. Okay, yung sagot po namin is the full coloring is first passer in hot water. Wala na first explanation naman. Okay, number 9. What happens if the coloring drop pinabasa sa cleaner containing water? Like your observation, we are thinking of the full coloring is all combined in the hot water. Okay, so they have two setups. They have warm water and they have cold water. And they have similar amount of food coloring of the each water. So si X yung cold, so si X. Tapos si Y na manunin. So ang nangyari daw, saan mas mabilis na gumalaw? On hot water. Eh, saan mas mabagal? The question is, will the temperature, the difference in temperature affects the movement of the particles? Nakaka-affect ba? Yes. Simply based on the observation on the result of the activity, the hotter, is it faster or slower? Faster. Okay, so let's talk with the summary of your ideas. So let's give an award to each and every one of you. And okay. So, we talk about the particle model of matter as matter is set in the matter space and of mass, and it is made up of tiny particles. So, the first activity, can you read the concept? So, matter is made up of tiny particles. The atom are molecules, and it retains its identity. The second one is, based on their activity, there are empty spaces in between particles of matter. Just like this. So may tubig, pinagtapan siya ng particles, hindi siya nag-increase. Parang hindi siya nag-increase because they simply fill out the spaces in between. Okay, the next answer is the particles of matter as they observe, they are in motion. And the last one is temperature affects the speed of the particles. So is there any question? It's already time. Already time. So tomorrow we'll continue and have the proxy or let's have the next topic for tomorrow. Is there any question? Verification? Release attention? Unit reaction? Wala? Okay, so that's all. That's all for today. Thank you. Great. Namaskar.
Okay po. Let's proceed to the last which is the post observation. So we have our supervisor. So during that post observation, minsan nandiyan yung ating TSDs. We also have our students.